Yo, what's up everybody? It's Ibrahim King, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of tech, but with a twist. We're talking about 300 must-have gadgets you can snag right now on Amazon. We're talking about those clever little problem solvers, the things you didn't know you needed, but now can't imagine living without. These smart gadgets are designed to simplify your life in ways you never imagined, from automating your home to upgrading your everyday carry. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a gadget geek, or just looking for ways to make your life a little bit easier, you definitely don't want to miss this video. Let's get right into it. Control your whole house with your voice. One pad for all your devices. Set it and forget it, literally. Chapter 4. Block out the world and wake up refreshed. Chapter 5. Never get caught without a charge. Chapter 6. Keys, wallet, phone, always found. Perfect meals every single time. Ergonomic comfort all day long. Noise cancelling for your ears. Chapter 10. Turn back time on your skin, microdermabrasion at home. Blend it up like a pro, smoothies, soups, endless possibilities. The ultimate travel essential, stay hydrated wherever you go. The perfect ambience at your fingertips. Turn any room into a theatre. Wake up to fresh coffee. Powerful audio, completely wireless. Next level photography with your phone. Peace of mind at your fingertips. Massage away the day's stress. Gym quality equipment without the gym. Fresh herbs and veggies year round. Breathe easy with cleaner air. Stay cool, beat the heat. Unlimited entertainment at your fingertips. Precision cooking made simple. The perfect pour every time. Immersive sound without the clutter. Relax and unwind in style. Hammock, patio furniture, outdoor lighting. Gear up. Explore the outdoors. Spoil your furry friend. They deserve it. Sun's out. Device is charged. Alright everyone, that wraps up our massive list of 300 must-have Amazon gadgets. We've covered everything from smart home essentials to outdoor gear, kitchen gadgets, and so much more. I hope you discovered some cool new tech to upgrade your life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing gadget reviews. Let us know in the comments which gadget you found the most interesting. We love hearing from you guys. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech.